In today's consumer market, brands are pressed to look for new product innovations to stay ahead of the competition. Organizations must consider sustainability and lowering manufacturing costs while increasing capacity when bringing their products to market in time. To overcome these obstacles, technology and engineering companies must leverage the most effective design and manufacturing methodologies to advance efficient design and bring new ideas to life at record pace. The packaging world is in a constant state of evolution, but thanks to advancement in new technologies, you no longer have to compromise design to meet production demands. By trusting your product with experienced professionals, PackSmart guarantees you will meet and exceed production deadlines without sacrificing quality. From conceptual ideas or problems to fully tested and qualified solutions within 14 weeks or less. Let PackSmart deliver exceptional customer experience by innovating your next product launch.
PackSmart, engineering the impossible.